Hey guys, so for today we're doing an unboxing, and it's been a while since I've done one of these videos, and I got my birthday gift. Here is what I got: the Fujifilm Instax Mini EVO Hybrid Instant Camera, and it's in the color black. These comes with two colors actually, black and brown, and I opted to get the black one. And here's the box. Ayan. It's with the features of the camera. So let's go. Let's unbox this baby. Ayan. So let's open it up. Actually, na-open na to kasi syempre dinemo sa amin sa store. Ayan. And then here din daw, this is where you could download the app. Kasi aside from the camera, you could actually connect it to your phone. And this is the app, so it's available on Google Play and App Store for mga iOS phones. Okay. Open. Here it is, guys. So for this one, it comes with the camera. Okay, let's set it down. It comes with the connector. And then what else is in this box? We have the strap, and there it has Instax, and then what else? And of course the insert. Okay, so let's go. Let's open this up. Now, wow! Oh, look at this baby. Hello. Can you see me? Yay. Yes, very satisfying. So let's check out the features of this camera. Hindi ko siya mabuksan. This is where you put on the film. This lever is here. You have to open this up. Pero kasi may film na kasi dinemo nga sa amin in the store, so I can't open it for you guys. So this is where you charge and put in the SD card right there. And then you have these holes at the bottom, and the other side for the strap, where you can put in the strap. Here at the back, we have the screen, of course, and mga buttons, mga function buttons. Here on top, we have the lever. If you want to take the picture, we just have to pull on this lever. And then the shutter button, of course. And then this is a reset button. You could reset it back to the default, to normal filter, and then normal filter for the lens. Kasi madaming filters din yung lens itself and filters for the picture. And then this is where you could change the filters. We should be showing it to you later when I open it up. Of course, the lens. This is also changeable to different filters then, which I'll be showing them later. Next is here. And this is another shutter button, where you could turn the light, of course, on and off button. You just switch it on and off here. Next, this is where the Polaroid comes out. So, syempre, wag natin i-block yan. Next, this one is for a tripod. You could insert it here for the tripod. So, let's open it up na, guys. Hey, it's open. Ayan. I actually researched on this, so it's designed to be pictured like this. Kasi that's how the pictures can come out, like that. So dapat ganito daw yung orientation. That's why there's a shutter button here, para when you take a picture and you hold the camera like this, it's very accessible. You could just take a picture like that. Very handy. Or you could shoot the picture like this. Yan. What I love about this also is it's a digital camera. You could store the pictures here and decide what you want to print later. So it's not like an ordinary Instax na pag nagpicture ka, lalabas agad yung Polaroid. This is where you change the filters. These are the filters. There's retro. This one is blue. red, yellow, and many more. Aside from the mga filters, pwede ka din mag-change ng lens here. So you just have to twist it like this. So here is a filter for blur, lens filter for blur. There's fish eye, color shift, then light leak, mirror, which is cute din. And then, see, this is what I'm saying is, when you change the lens filter plus dito din, change ka din dito. And then when you want it back to normal, pwede mong i-press tong button na to, reset button, para back to normal ulit siya. Diba? So, here naman guys are the function buttons. So, if you see, this is the menu. Right there. So this is where you can change other settings. You have Bluetooth settings to pair with your phone. And then mga print quality mode and the brightness. Then you could just set the time here. Kasi yung mga pictures ko, I chose to have a date stamp. Kasi it's very vintage and oldies. And I prefer it like that. Changes language, tapos may sound setup. So pwede kang mag-change din. You could also turn it off kung gusto nyo yung mga sound. You could remove this kasi nag-auto so I'm gonna off it kasi gusto kong on lang siya when I'm using it. This button, when you're looking at pictures, when you press the back button, lumalabas yung mga properties ng pictures, what lens was used and what filter was used, and how many pictures you have left in your SD card. Yung SD card ko pala is 16 GB, so more than enough na yung 16 GB guys, kasi yung camera itself has 45 pictures storage. Even without a SD card, you could store 45 pictures here. So ayan guys, and obviously when you want to see your pictures that's stored here, just press this play button like the usual and you can see your pictures now. So let's try to print my picture, and then you just have to pull this like that and it's going to print. Okay. What I like about this camera is you can print pictures from the camera or your phone, which I think is very, very useful. That's why I love it. So, let's try naman from the phone. Na-download ko na yung app, guys. And this is how it looks like. You just have to select a picture na gusto mong i-print. So, ito yung sinelect ko. Yes. And then, you can zoom in. I could zoom out and zoom in actually if you want. Pero i-retain ko na lang yung picture ko. And then, ayan, you can print na. So, just print. Ayan, and it's gonna start printing. So, you could transfer printed pictures from here to your phone. So, let's check it out. Paano gawin yun? Transferred images. Ayan. Printed transfer pictures. This one, select ko, and transfer. Plus sign. Tapos magta-transfer naman siya dito. Okay, so nag-transfer. Ayun. So, that's how you transfer from the camera to your phone. Since na-print ko to, na-transfer ko siya sa phone. And let's see what I can do with this. Para mong i-download. And then, change backgrounds. So, nasa gallery ko na siya. And I could post it online na. Ayun. That's another neat feature for this. So, this is from the camera. This is from the camera itself na pinicture ko, and then this is from my phone. There. Another thing I wanted to show you is yung accessory na binili ko. For now, ito yung binili ko. So, this is a clear case that comes with a strap. Pero, mas prefer kong gamitin tong Instax strap kasi I think more sturdy siya. So, let's put it in the camera and clip it. There, fits perfectly. So, ready siyang i-shoot anytime while protected siya. And all I can say is, I really like this camera and I think I'll really make the most of it. And ayun lang guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.